Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all are doing well. It is November 17th, 2024. This project I'm going to be doing between now and whenever it gets done is a little different. It's a custom thing I'm going to be making. This clock I've had for a really long time, and I never had it plugged in Arizona, which I don't know why I never plugged it in, but it was always in my Nebraska room. But about 3 or 4 months ago, we had a power surge here in Fremont, and I didn't have a surge protector on this thing, and it took the circuit board out. Didn't work anymore. So about a week ago, I finally had an idea of getting it fixed, and I contacted a guy. He said he'd take a look at it, but he was out of town anyway, so it didn't work out. So anyway, I had a little brain fart about 3 or 4 days ago, and instead of having somebody fix it for 50 to 100 bucks or whatever, I found one on eBay, and it worked, but it's got a little different screen on it. So I took the circuit guts out of this one and put it in the other one downstairs, and I thought, well, you know what, I just will have 2 of them, right? So I found another one on eBay. I couldn't find a Nebraska one, obviously, because they're kind of hard to come by. But I found this Kansas basketball one. And I'm going to take the guts out of that one and put it in that one and make it work. So I'll have 2 Nebraska ones. And then I had another little brain fart. I found another one. It's a Seattle Seahawks one, I believe, but it's not here yet. But I'm going to make me a custom one. And I'm not going to tell you what it's about or anything, but I will show you if it works out. And this video is up on YouTube, then you know it worked out. And it's going to be a cool one, I think. It really is. But for right now, I'm going to take the guts out of that one, put it in this one, and make this one a whole one, and I'll have 2 Husker ones. And then I'll be back when I get the other one figured out. I got stuff on order for it, but it probably won't be here till like 1st of December. So it's gonna be a couple weeks before I get to it. So I'll be back. Now you can see on this one, this is the other Nebraska one. But this one had some major issues. You can see here, I've already fixed them. That was a couple days ago. This was broke out. This was broke out, and it had a bunch of stuff rattling on the inside. And the mounts, every mount for the circuit board right here, and 1 or 2 mounts up here were broke. You can see this is cracked right here, and it was pushed in. I don't know how that happens, but I see a lot of them that are that way, for some reason. But anyway, the back of this one is going to the trash. I'll take the circuit board off, put it on the back of this one, and put the back in this one. That makes sense? So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing now. Alright, here's what the guts of this thing looks like. Got a connector here. Screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here. The board comes off. Then there's a little, for the adjustment buttons, there's a little circuit board underneath this. And we'll get that taken out. When we get this board out, this is our power transformer. That's gonna stay. So we'll just figure out which one's which, and then we'll swap them out. All right, we got the power supply in and working, hopefully. Cross the fingers. Now we get this good circuit board. Get this thing put in. Come on. All right, now let's plug this little thing in and see if it works. Cross your fingers I didn't mess anything up. Looks like it's working. Looks like it's working. Get this put back on there. Once I get to working. 78 degrees in here. Alright, let's put this thing back together and I'll show you what it looks like then. Still working. Still working. You believe I did that? Say yes, I do. And I broke the damn cover. Can you believe I did that? Say yes, I believe it. Now I gotta put it back the way it was before. I'm so upset right now, it's not funny. We're just gonna set this on here. See if it works. Alright, it works. Getting there, huh? One thing I've learned is don't tighten these screws too tight. If that custom one turns out, then I'll be happy. All right. See if it works. I think we're good, hopefully. All right, we'll call that good. I don't know. We're gonna call that good. All right, so that's gonna do it for that little mod. All right, I'm gonna be doing a little swapping here. As you know, the previous excursion didn't work out so well, but as you know, this back is broke. I got to glue that, glue this, glue a bunch of stuff inside. So, but the mechanism still works. And what I did was I found a new one, a brand new one in the box, never been plugged in. Another clock, but there was only one problem with it. It's a South Carolina. So what I'm going to do is take the picture out of this one, put it in this one since it's brand new, and I'll save the guts for this one, for my custom one. I think it's going to work out pretty good, but we shall see. I'm going to try not to drop this one or pull it off. I'm not plugging it in, so I shouldn't be able to pull it off the table and break it. This is the one I'm most worried about. This one, not so much, because all I need is the picture. So I'll be back when I get this tore apart and show you what's going on, what I need, and what I'm going to be putting in the new one. All right, we got all the screws out. Now I just need to do this. This back is going bye-bye. Like I said, I'm going to take the guts out of this and save it for another one. All I need is this thing. I'm going to flip this one upside down, get the screws out of it. Anywho, I'll be back when I get the screws out. Alright, we got the back off the new one. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this picture in, but we'll put the Nebraska one on top of underneath it. I think it should work that way. That way it stays original also, kind of thing, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. Is that gonna work? Yep. That's gonna work. We're gonna call that good. Let's get the screws back in it and call it a day, huh? Alrighty. What do you think of that? Now we got a brand spanking new Nebraska Husker one. That is cool, huh? Alright, so that's going to do it for this part of the video. This thing is all put back together. Parts if I need them. I'm not going to throw it away. I was going to throw it away, but I'm not going to throw it away. So I'll be back when I got the other clock in hand, and we'll make that custom one. Get it done. That'll be today, hopefully. But I'll be back. Alright, it's later in the evening a little bit, and it says 6:19, so 6:20. I got the other one, my Seattle Seahawk, in the mail. And it's not perfect, obviously. It's used, wasn't new, but it has an issue. And I'll show it to you when I plug it in. As you can see, this numbers digit right here is out. It doesn't work. Luckily, I've got another board, like I said earlier, that I kept. So I'm going to swap that out and see if it works. And then we'll go from there. Alright, I got the circuit board swapped out, so let's see if it works. Looks like it does. We're good there, huh? I think we're good. Alrighty. Now I just need to glue these back on here as spacers to hold the glass. And I'll be right back for the glue for that. Oops, I got some right here. Anyway, I'm going to do this. I'll be back. Got some tape on the vinyl. Hold it there. Hopefully it'll work out well. I'm hoping it sticks. Alright, we got this all taped down. Ready to go. I think it's going to look pretty good. But like I said, we shall see. Alright, we got our picture set in there. Got these bumpers all set here. Oops, I missed one. I missed one. I don't know how well those are going to work, but we'll put them on there anyway. The other ones don't have it. The other clocks don't. I've never seen these bumpers in anything else. So we'll see how it goes. I think it can't hurt. Let's put a couple screws in, and then we'll see how this goes. I'm going to actually put all the screws in just to get it over with. I think you guys are going to like this. I really do. Like I said before, if this video is up on YouTube, then you know everything worked out. You probably kind of guess what this is for by the color of the vinyl that I put on there. I hope it works out. If not, I'll put the red back on there and call it good. Not a big deal. Alright, 2 more screws and we are done. Alright. Are you ready to see what this is about? I think it's going to look out pretty good. Work out pretty good. What do you think? What do you think? I think that's cool, huh? Let's light it up and see what it does. There we go. What do you think? I think it looks pretty dang cool. Custom clock for the garage, the Grape Ape garage. Yeah, I like that. Temperature's off a little bit because it is not 78 degrees. Well, I haven't had it plugged in, I guess, so. But yeah, isn't that cool? So now I need to take that thing out to the garage and put it up. And yeah, that's gonna be cool to have a temperature out there and everything. That's gonna be cool. I don't know what that was. Ghosts. But that is cool. I'm glad I did that. I got 2 Husker ones now and a custom one for the Grape Ape garage. So that's going to do it for this video. I'm glad everything worked out. gonna see if I can't fix that other circuit board, but one digit out, it should be fairly easy to find, I hope. But if not, at least I got this thing working. All right, so I thought about this clock thing for a little bit overnight last night. Today is November 23rd, by the way. And I thought I would do something cool with it. It's not going to be silver anymore. It's going to be purple. So I'm going to scut that up and paint it, and then I'll be back and show you what it looks like. All right, there she is. I left it kind of misty paint, kind of silver showing through kind of thing. So we'll see how it looks when I get it put on. All right, welcome back. It's November 24th, 2024. I'm out here in the garage, as you can tell. I'm getting ready to put this on the wall. I bought some surge protectors for our refrigerator because I had a refrigerator blow out with the power surge. I've got one over there on that fridge. I had it over here when the fridge was over here, but I'm going to put this one. This one is going up right back where it was before. And I'm going to be putting the clock right here, I think, someplace around there, and I'm going to be moving that picture over a little bit, I think. That's my plan anyway. I got to have the clock at a level where I can get to the adjustment on it on the back side, so I won't need a step stool or anything. So I'll be back when I get this thing mounted, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, we got it hung on the wall. I think it looks great, huh? That thing looks great. Surge protector to protect it. Hopefully it won't go bad.
I'm trying to get a small business loan, but the bank thinks I'm the same guy who skipped town on a string of...
It needed that, didn't it? Well, temperature gauge.
We'll give them the message.
I got one over here too, but
I'm not leaving town.
let's see which one's more accurate.
Nice meeting you.
I like it. So that'll do it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to be, well, I don't know if I said it before, but I'm going to try to make a Sinclair one. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I just feel like making one. So I'll be back, not with that one, but I'll be back with the next video. I got to get this thing cleaned up and put away. Put a cover on it. That's what I'm doing out here to begin with. But that had to be done first. Alright, I got a little bonus footage for you. I went ahead and put up my curtain rods on both windows. I've got new curtains for it, but you want to see them right now, or do you want to see them when they're up? Alright, I'll put them up and then I'll show you. I'll be back. Alright, are you ready for this? I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm pretty sad that it hides the frame on the window, but there's the first one. And we'll go over here to the second one. This one's not a Grape Ape theme, but it is a garage theme, and I think you'll all like it. Look at that. Aren't they cool? They are cool. They fit a garage, that's for sure. So with that, I am finally done. I'm going to go in the house, relax, maybe watch some reruns on football from yesterday. So I'll be signing off for now. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay grape. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.